How to view hidden channels on Snapchat. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to view hidden channels on Snapchat easily. So all what you have to do is simple. Just go to Snapchat. Now go to stories down here, click on stories and go to the top corner, click on those three dots as you can see, and now click on view hidden channels, and right here you will see your hidden stories easily. Don't forget to like and subscribe if this video was helpful for you. Don't forget. Thank you so much and see you later.